connecting you see the blue line right there? I'm connecting the boost gauge, and I'm connecting also the white band. And I'm gonna be doing the heat wrap on the exhaust. I'm letting it cool down because I have the engine on. I'm letting it. God damn. So I'm gonna let it cool down a little bit more. And I'm gonna be doing the heat wrap and doing all the cabling for not the cabling, all the rod. Yeah, the cabling. I read this already. I already ran it inside the cab. And I'm gonna do the cable now for the white band. White band right here. So I'm gonna run the cables now. Everything I need for the white band. So, little update. I ran the line for the boost right there. I gotta get me a fitting. It there. As you guys can see, I already put the heat wrap on it. I ran the boost line right there, and I'm also running the white band right there. I gotta put a tie wrap on it so you connect it. I gotta cut the tie wraps. Gotta cut it. And we went inside the car right there. So I'm doing the engine bay first, and then I'm doing inside the cab. So I'm gonna keep you guys updated. I ain't gonna lie to you. Turbo, the heat wrap on it, look nice. Oh, I already fixed the water temp. The adapter. I had to cut it a little bit right there because it was touching the adapter. So I think the temp is gonna be a little lower now because the headers were touching the adapter. And as you guys know, I got a sensor inside the adapter. Another thing. It was a mission to put this right here. It was a mission. I ain't gonna lie to you. It was a mission because this line right here. I have to fix the line. I have to do this one. And I'm also thinking about changing the cash can. I'm gonna get the one that got the blower on top, another blower, the little breather on top. Because I don't want all that steam, all that hot steam inside the engine. I want to be able to breathe. Yeah. So let me see. So now I gotta keep putting the tie wrap on it, finishing the engine bay, so I can go inside the car. Guys, what's going on? I had to get that fittings right there. That one. I think it's 1 quart to push in because I didn't have it, so I had to go get it, and I had to get another one for the gate, the boost gate. I'm gonna show you guys which one I'm talking about. I have it right here. See it? I have to get this one. I think it's 1 quart to push in. It says it right there. You see it? 1 quart. 1 quart. I mean, 1/8, and the push in is 1 quart. Because the one that comes with the kit too small. So I have to get this fitting also. It goes right there. Then the blue line right there, the blue line, is inside the cab. That's gonna be in another video. Because I'm gonna do the engine bay first, and then another video. I'm doing the installation of the gauges. So God bless you all. Don't forget to subscribe. This is Angel LSX. Oh, and I don't know if I said it already. I'm gonna say it again. That cash can right there. I'm getting a new one. I'm getting a different one. Yeah. I already installed the oil temp gates and white band, and now I'm about to do the boost right here. I wanted to show you guys this right here because looking nice. Look at this. Since I don't have no some paper or nothing, and I don't feel like going to the store again, I had to improvise. What I did was got my drill, put a drill bit on it, and I started doing all the borders around the hole right there. You see, started grinding it. Patient, you gotta be patient with it. You gotta test it out. Go a little bit more, test it again, like that, until it fits. You don't want it that loose. You want it kind of tight. So that's how I did it. And I'm about to do this one right here, so I can install a boost gauge right there. I gotta remove this. This goes in the back. Alright, so enjoy the time lapse, guys. Gotta put my phone down. For the drill bit, see that hole right there? Go little by little. Like this. You're supposed to do it and go around. So, you're supposed to do it and go around like that, slow. You want it even. All right. Remember, you gotta test the boost gate. You gotta take the gates. You gotta stop. Let me set this up. Remove everything. There you go. You want it out. Okay, so we're gonna test that now. So, see, one. So, push it all the way. Just like that, my gauge is looking nice. I see it. I know y'all see it. I see it right there, brother. I see it right there, brother. I know they're not the same, but they're gonna work. They're not the same, but they're gonna work. They're gonna work. They're gonna work. That's how I said so. They're gonna work. Maybe in the future, I'm gonna get me some new gauges. Only these two. The white band, I think it's good. I'm gonna get me another autometer for my oil temp gauge. But this digital. This right here is digital, so they say it's not that good, but it's been, I don't know. They say it's not that good, but to me it's been working so far. Been working. I had it on my 5.3. When I had the 5.3, I had it on, so for me it's working fine. So I don't see no reason for me to change it. So all right, stay tuned.